Good weekend, everybody. I am back in Philadelphia and happy to be home for this weekend. Super Bowl's coming up. I am very excited for it. Not because I care who wins or loses, but mostly because it signals the start of the spring market. With interest rates dropping, you should see more buyers, more activity, and more people willing to let go of their 3% interest rates and list their properties. It looks like it's going to ramp up to be a very nice spring market, which I assume we all could use right now. So it's going to hop on into what's going on with mortgages and interest rates. We had a big week in the markets as the Fed had their first interest rate decision of the year. As the surprise of no one, they decided not to reduce interest rates. The important takeaway from this is what Fed Chair Jerome Powell had to say about the future. It seems very likely, based on his comments, that a Fed cut in March is not on the books. Oddly, the market did have a favorable view overall of his comments as we saw the 10-year Treasury drop all the way to almost 6-month lows. Interest rates dropped a little as well, but they didn't follow quite a steep curve. It looks like we may have to wait until May until the Fed starts the rate cuts. However, that doesn't mean that the rates for mortgages won't drop until then. These factors are already determined into the current mortgage rates. So as long as the data continues to support the stop of mortgage rates, we should see a continual slow drop, which is great for us. We have a couple reports coming out next week. I'm keeping my eyes on the initial jobless claims and consumer credit. Those could change up the data a little bit, but so far it seems like it's smooth sailing for cuts coming into May. So, what does all this mean, and what should you be telling your buyers who are coming into your open houses this weekend? Well, it's really easy. You can just say, Mr. and Mrs. Buyer, with the Federal Reserve's decision to not drop rates and Chairman Powell's statements, it looks like we're on track to see federal interest rates start getting cut around May. However, mortgage interest rates are already factoring this into their pricing and already seeing drops. So if you wait to start your home search in May, you're going to put yourself behind. You should start right away. And last but certainly not least, I added in a feature property listing this week for my friend Adam at Coldwell Banker. I got to see this home in person. It's cute, amazing, has a lot of charm to it. Definitely check it out. If you're interested in having your property featured into this mailer, just let me know. I'd love to create a property flyer for you. If you also want to have co-branded flyers just like that one for your open houses, we have them with and without rates. I'd be happy to supply those as well. Just reach out to me and let me know. Other than that, have a good weekend. Good luck, and let me know if you need anything.